Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Booking.com and Hotels.com. Booking.com and Hotels.com are popular hotel reservation platforms but differ in aspects. Booking.com is a popular online travel agency that allows users to book hotels, flights, car rentals and more. It provides vast selection of accommodations and flexible booking options with no upfront payments for many properties. Sometimes prices may fluctuate after booking, leading to unexpected charges or cancellations. Hotels.com is an online travel agency that offers a wide selection of hotels, vacation rentals, and accommodations globally. It offers competitive pricing and a reward programs that provides free nights after booking a set number of stays. Some listings on Hotel.com may not always have the same level of detail or accuracy as on other booking platforms. If you prioritize a vast selection and flexibility, go with Booking.com, but if you value rewards and free nights, Hotels.com is better. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.